Hello, Miss Turtle here again. I am here today with my fountain pens, and as you can see, they're all TWSBI ECOs. Now I have other fountain pens too, but I have a lot of these guys because they're my absolute favorite. Also, cheers to my dad. I have strawberry lemonade and vodka in this glass. This is my second glass. And so what I thought we would do today, because I have never done this, and so of course being drunk and being on video seemed like the perfect time to do this. If you know anything about fountain pens, you know that fountain pens need to be, well, TWSBI ECOs specifically need to have the piston mechanism greased every once in a while. Now the piston mechanism, what that is, if you're not a fountain pen person, is, okay, keep your eye on this guy right there. See how that moves up and down? Well, that needs to be lubricated every once in a while. And the lubrication comes from this stuff right here that TWSBI provides you. It's a little bit of silicone grease, and then there's a tool, and there's, I forgot, there are always instructions. I watched a YouTube video like a week ago, so of course I remember every single thing that I hope I remember the YouTube video, because what the fuck is that? Oh, no, did not just see that. Okay, we are going to do this. Okay, so I watched Jet Pens' video. You're supposed to open the back and then insert the, oh, it worked. And then tighten this thing. And then oh, this is where it's gonna get complicated. If I'm opening it, I'm gonna go like this, but you have to go the opposite direction, so you have to go like the, oh, it's working, I think. Is it working? Whoa, it's working. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's working. I should probably do a video. Okay, that's okay. We're just gonna keep. Okay. Okay, I feel like it's not working. I feel like Jet Pens did not do it this many times. What the? Oh. Okay. The inside of that looks pretty clean, wouldn't you say? No need to clean that. Oh, I probably should have done this part first. Oh, dang it. Oh my god, Miss Toad, I need help. Can you open?
It's got a thing on it.
Yes, I need the thing to not be on there. Here, this is short. Oh. Thank you. Awesome. Okay. Got that open. Miss Toad helped me open that. And then, ooh. I would also like to clarify that I am not the one who named Miss Toad Miss Toad. She was bequeathed said title by Papa Toad. And so, if anybody has an issue with that nickname, they can take it up with him. And also, please video it for me when you do, because I would like to watch that. I don't know if this is actually doing anything. Is there stuff coming out of this? Am I supposed to be able to? That's glass. I cannot squeeze it. Oh, there's stuff coming out. Okay. There's too much stuff coming out now. Okay. That has happened, and then... Is that too much? Son of a bitch. Oh, no, I did not just say that. Okay. I have a cloth. I have a cloth with Miss Olive's hair on it, all over it. Well, that's just... Am I supposed to... Maybe just lightly wipe that down? Oh no! Oh no! Okay, that was a bad idea. Oh, there's fibers everywhere. Okay, we're not doing that next time. Oh no. Okay, maybe we're supposed to do this. And then it's greased, but all the excess, okay, that works. Okay, we will do that in the future. Okay, then what you're supposed to do is, and then we're gonna act as though we're opening it, and that'll actually close it because it's backwards. Oh, I think I did it. Oh my gosh, that's so smooth. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to go. Would you like to sit here for that? Miss Toad. Miss Toad is hard of hearing. She can't hear anything. We can talk about her. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, this one's gross because I use this one a lot because it's blue and it's pretty. Oh, I wonder if this is shaking the table a lot. I tried to do some stuff to try to stabilize my little PVC pipe setup over here. My first setup was actually 2 slats of the bed frame from my old bed and a bunch of old CDs. Yes, I said CDs from Miss Toad's archiving project, where she's taking all of her CDs and digitizing them. So what was I doing? I was doing this. Okay, so we're back to this. We're gonna put some of this on. I don't think this is coming out. Like, how, why is this a glass thing? Oh, it is coming out. Never mind. I take it back, TWSBI. Also, I have something coming from TWSBI in the mail. And according to the tracking, it is going to be here tomorrow. But who knows if that is actually the case. Might not be coming tomorrow. Might be coming like 3.5 million years from now. Which seems like a valid estimate. That's certainly how long Amazon is taking with everything. Well, I say that, and then it'll say something's coming in May, and then it's already showed up at my house, and it's like April. I have no idea when it is. April something. Oh my gosh, I should have done this so long ago. This is awesome. This is awesome. All right. So I discovered a new YouTube channel. It's called Creepy Nibs. And it's this guy, his name is Count Chocula. No, Count Chocula. Okay, I'm opening it. Okay, there we go. He also talks about fountain pens and inks, and mostly inks, and also fountain pens. And he is friggin' hysterical. I am a big fan. That one doesn't need to be cleaned out. I'm a big fan. I will be like a proper YouTube person and like try to link stuff. And if I haven't linked stuff, it's because I forgot. Because of the drunkenness. I blame the vodka. I'm getting faster at this. Excuse me. Totally just burped. I burped it. Okay. I got that out. Oh, so should have done this a long time ago. This makes it so much easier. Oh, here's another one that needs to be cleaned out. See that bead of water in there from when I didn't clean it out properly? Shh. I take very good care of my pens. Okay, I'll be honest with you, there was one time. Okay, so for non-fountain pen people, you're supposed to like not leave a fountain pen with ink in it for like longer than like a couple of weeks or something like that. It was one time, actually it was this pen. I had gotten a brand new. It's one of those like limited edition colors. So I knew exactly when I had purchased it because I got it like the moment it came out. And I inked up the pen immediately, of course. And then I wrote with it like once or twice. And then lost my train of thought. I wrote with it once or twice, and then I think it rolled under something like my table or under the bed or something like that. And then I didn't find it for like a year. And this one I can track because this has happened more than once. And I was just making sure I recorded and I wasn't sitting here like a psycho and talking to myself this entire time without having hit record. And I did. I remembered to hit record. Thank God. So it rolled under the bed or something like that. And I know exactly how long it was under the bed or the desk, whatever it was, because it was a limited edition. I bought it brand new. And so I could, And it was like just under a year. Sorry, I was trying to figure out which way to rotate. It was just under a year. It was something like 50 weeks instead of 52. So literally just under a year. It was under the... and I was like, oh my God, there's no way this thing is going to work. But I was like, oh, whatever. So I opened it up and I tried to write with it and it didn't write. And then I had a little thing of water right there. I touched the nib to the water and then I tried to write. And I mean, it started writing as though I had inked it 20 minutes before. It was insane. And I mean, it doesn't look corroded or anything to me. I don't know. Does it look corroded or anything to you? Seems fine. So that's another one of the reasons I have so many of these, because they're awesome pens. And I may or may not have one coming to me in the mail right now that was supposed to have been delivered already and isn't, because, you know, stuff. Okay, that one does not need to be cleaned out. Okay, now it's not coming out. Okay. Okay. Well, I've run out of things to talk about. Oh my God. What should I talk about? I've got a new pen coming. So I'm at a very strict, not a big. It's not big. It's strict though. I'm on a strict spending budget right now. Spending for like fun things. Of course, you know, gotta pay my bills and whatnot. But I'm on a strict, whoa, oh, I see. I'm on a strict spending budget, and flippin' TWSBI, man. They keep coming out with these like limited edition, because words, pens, and the white with the rose gold. I mean, like, come on, like, seriously. Of course I ordered it. Of course I did. And I blew most of my monthly fun things budget on it. But I cashed in some credit card points, and so it'll be fine. I also ordered a couple of other things. So there might be a haul video coming soon. We shall see. A haul video like a proper YouTuber. Okay, like I'm opening it. Okay, there we go. All right, I think y'all get the gist of what's going on here. I'm gonna end it before the last pen because, well, frankly, this is almost 20 minutes long, and that's long. So anyway, bye guys. Do you like my nails? Okay, bye.